Okay, guys, let's get started. So in today's session, what we will do is we will cancel our extra subscription. So you need to come to this admin.microsoft.com website and come under billing. Inside billing, you have your products. And inside your products, what I did is I canceled extra subscriptions. I kept only one of them. And I extended that to um, one more month. So what I did is I went to this Microsoft 365 E3 license, this one, and I had this option to extend and end date. So basically it was getting expired today. What I did, I clicked on this extend end date. So it now extended to one more month. Okay, but we have to cancel this subscription on 19th of January. So you have to come to this page again and cancel subscription on 19th of January so that you don't get charged. Otherwise, you will have to pay around 2,800 rupees for this one. Okay. Apart from this license, you need to make sure you cancel other licenses. Okay. So you keep only one Microsoft 365 E3 license active and cancel other ones. You need to click each one of them one by one, the below ones, and then cancel. So that's the first thing what you have to do so that you will not be charged unnecessarily. Okay. Now
So which one do we keep? Just the Intune?
this one, Microsoft 365 E3 license. Intune is part of
Okay.
this one already.
Okay, Intune is part of that, right? Right.
Yes,
Okay, so we
Intune is
don't
part.
need the Intune Plan 1 trial separately. We don't need that.
We don't need that one. In case if you would like to extend this one later on, okay,
Hmm.
once this is expired and you would still would like to continue with your trial,
Hmm.
what you do is you can click on this one and extend this one later on once the first
Excellent.
one gets expired.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah.
And the Entra. So you subscribe for Entra P2,
Yeah.
but I subscribe for Entra ID P1 trial. So do I need to keep it, or is it part
E3
of E3?
E3 has that one already.
Okay, okay. So it's like a duplicate.
Hmm, right.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So make sure you cancel this one, Azrita, on 19th of January. Now, coming back to the iPhone enrollment. So
Hmm.
basically on iPhone, you need to download Intune company portal, just like we downloaded it on Android, and then enroll that device. So let me know when your device is ready. In the
Okay.
meantime, I will show you one option. So let me, um, today is what? 20th December. Topics. Cancel. Um, extra unwanted subscription. Point number two, extend license for MS 365 E3. Extend Microsoft license for Microsoft for 30 days. Okay. Set reminder to cancel MS 365 after 29 days. Okay. Now, point number four is um, how to use supersedence method. How to use supersedence method to uninstall, what happened? To uninstall old version and install new version. So how to use supersedence method to uninstall old version of an application and install the new version. Okay, install newer version. Okay, so you have, I think I have already shown that to you, but let me just make sure you guys get it correct. So you go to apps here. Inside apps, you have Windows. Inside Windows, you have Win32. So this option is available only in Win32 method, not in line of business method, not in any other method. So you can do it in Win32. For example, Mozilla Firefox. This is a good example. Now let's assume that 132 is already deployed everywhere. 132 is the old version and 133 is the new version. So let's assume 132 is already deployed everywhere in like thousands and thousands of computers. Now the management wants 133 in all the machines. So we have to remove 132 and upgrade that to 133. So either you remove and upgrade or upgrade the existing one. So I'm gonna click on this 133. So 133 we are deploying now, but we need to make sure 133 should remove the old version. So I'll go to properties here, and here we have option called supersedence. You see supersedence. Currently we have not given any supersedence. We'll edit that one and add, and here we will add the old one, Mozilla Firefox old one, 32. So here you can add all the older version like 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27. All the old version should get uninstalled. Okay. And new version will get installed. So 33, when the 33 will trigger in the machine, it will remove 32 first, and then 33 will get installed. Let me click on review plus save. So that is how the supersedence works. You guys are clear with this concept? Hmm?
Yes, yes, clear.
Yeah, yes, clear. But Kashif, I have a
Hmm.
question. So
Hmm.
this is to, if we want to remove the previous version and
Hmm.
install the latest version, right?
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
But if I want to remove any of the installed application on a device, just uninstall, don't upgrade, then how do I do that?
Just uninstall, then you come to the property assignment tab here, and you go
Mhm.
down to the uninstall tab here, and then to add the group. Simple.
Okay, okay,
So this is gonna
okay. Add the
remove the
group, add the
application.
same group. Okay, okay, okay. Can I? So. Can I just add like one device selectively, or does it have to be added to the group first and then it can be removed?
How will you add the device here? You have to have a group for that. Now, either one device or 100 or 1000
Hmm.
or 10,000 device. You have to create a group of that one device.
Okay, okay. So selectively, I can't just add one device and then do it. First, I'll have to create a group,
Yeah, that's what we
and
have
then.
done. We had
Hmm,
in our training, we had only one
hmm,
device. So what we
hmm,
did, we
hmm, hmm,
created
hmm.
a group for that.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay.
All right.
So that is how
Hmm.
we uninstall. Now there
Yeah.
is one more option, and that is dependency.
Yeah.
So
But sorry,
point, hmm,
before you move to the next point, um, in company portal there is also an option to uninstall the application. So if I don't add the group to uninstall, can I just uninstall uninstall it from company portal?
This uninstall option, when you choose edit here and then choose uninstall, right? Then it is
Hmm.
going to forcefully remove the application from user's computer, and it will not show in the company portal. That application will go away from company portal. It will be forcefully removed,
Yeah,
mandatory.
yeah,
The one
but
which you
like
are
the
saying, the one which you are
hmm,
saying, the uninstall, that
hmm,
is for available application. Suppose user has installed that application. Now user want to remove it. Just like on your mobile,
okay.
you install
Okay,
and you
okay, okay,
uninstall.
okay, okay, okay. Yes, got it.
So
Yes.
that is
So that is
for
only
available
for
app
available mode.
deployment.
Hmm.
Yes,
Hmm.
for
Not for required.
not for required. So uninstall is the required one. Forcefully, it is going to remove the application from the device.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now, so how to uninstall application? Point number 6 is how to um, deploy dependency application. Dependency applications along with the base application. How to deploy dependency applications along with the base application. Suppose your base application is, let me go back to apps here and Windows. Now suppose your base application is Google Chrome. Now Google Chrome is a mandatory application. I would like to install it in all the machines, but Google Chrome has a dependency. Dependency? What dependency? Let's say it needs Java runtime or Java application. Okay, Java runtime application. So I need to go to Google Chrome. Now Google Chrome cannot be installed in the machines until Java is already installed. That's the requirement of Google Chrome. So I'll come to this properties here, and then I'm gonna go to the dependency here, edit the dependency, and add the dependency here, and that is Java, JRE, Java runtime. Okay, and click on select. So Java is added. So Java is gonna install first. First Java will get installed, and then Google Chrome will get installed. You can add up to how many applications you can add. The total size of the dependency application graph is maximum 100 applications. So you can add 100 dependency applications here. Okay, got it? So suppose you add 10 applications here. So 10 applications will get installed first, and then the base application, the Google Chrome, the review plus save. So when you come to this dependency viewer, you will see Java is the dependency of Google Chrome. So first Java will get installed, and then Google Chrome will get installed. You guys are clear with this concept? Hmm?
Yes, Kashyap. Clear.
Yeah.
Now, is the device ready or not yet?
Yes. Ready. It's ready now.
Okay, so you download Intune company portal
Hmm.
and
Yeah.
then
Company portal. Hmm.
log in with your account to
With
enroll
my
the
tenant
device.
account.
Yes.
Hmm. Okay.
Now the next is how to use PSADT, PowerShell App Deployment Toolkit, to deploy application to the target computers. So PSADT, did anyone use PSADT?
No, I haven't.
No, Kashyap.
Yeah, Kashif,
Darshan?
I used it. Yeah.
Okay. PSADT is basically a wrapper in that there are various options available, the installation, pre-installation, then post-installation, then pre-uninstallation, uninstallation and post uninstallation. There are sections wherein you can define your application installation behaviors. So I'm gonna give you a link. You can download PSADT from there. Let me send that link to you guys on the chat window. So this was not part of course content, but most of the companies are using this one. So I wanted to show you this one. Okay. So Teams. Download. Okay, so this is the one, PSADT, right? Right click on this PSADT and then choose extract all. Okay, and extract. Now in this one, we have some examples as well. Let me go to the example. And so VLC example is given. WinSCP example is given. So let me go to the VLC example. And you have this one, deploy hyphen application. You can simply click on open. And I'll copy the example. Basically, I have come here to copy the example. So you see VLC media player. This is the declaration, variable declaration. So video LAN, VLC, version, architecture and all, right? Now the example which I have to copy is here. Let me go down. This is the one. So for a VLC media player, this is the example they have given that you need to use execute process and path is going to be .exe. Okay, so you have to use exe. So for exe, you have to choose execute process. Okay. So point number 1 for exe application, what you have to use, you need to use execute process and path. And here you have the file name. Okay, file name .exe, whatever it is, file name, right? And here you have to give the parameter. The parameter is /l is equal to 1033 is for VLC, not for every application. You have to change this one, depends on application to application. So give parameter. So this is for exe application. Suppose when you have MSI, then what will you do for MSI application? Suppose if you have MSI, then let's go to the example again and WinSCP and deploy hyphen application and open. You see example is given. So that is for MSI. So when you have MSI, so you have to give this one. Execute hyphen MSI install path and the file name basically. File name. You guys are getting the concept so far? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
But
hmm,
Kashibhai, but we need to mention the silent switches, right? We need to we need to mention the parameters, right?
in which one?
For the MSI,
MSI.
the yeah, silent switch.
No, silent switches is already taken care of. Okay, I'll show you where it is. So
Okay.
that is B, point number B, right? Now point number C is um, create folder structure. Folder structure. So let's create the folder structure for any application. So I am gonna go to the PSADT. This is the one which we downloaded, right? Right now we have downloaded this one and we have extracted. So basically our main folder is this one, the toolkit folder. So let's copy that folder. Copy, 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 copy. And I'll go to every time you have to copy this one. For WinSCP, you copy this and put it on the main folder location. For Google Chrome, you copy this and put it on the main folder location, right? And rename it to Google Chrome or WinSCP or whatever it is. So I'll copy, I have copied that one and I'll go to my Intune Win app folder. Yeah, here, Intune Win app folder. And here inside that, a source folder. And inside that, I'm going to create a folder called PSADT apps. PowerShell App Deployment Toolkit apps. Okay. And inside that, I'm going to paste it. So that's the toolkit, but it is not going to be toolkit. We have to rename it. For example, I'm going to rename it to which application? You can name it anything of your choice. Um, let's say VLC,
WinSCP.
WinSCP. Okay, let's do WinSCP. WinSCP. Suppose you are doing WinSCP. Okay, you name it as WinSCP. If you are doing VLC, you type in VLC. Depends on you. Now in WinSCP, you have to go to the files location and here you have to add your WinSCP file. So where is your WinSCP file? You have to go back to the source folder, WinSCP, copy this one from here and go back to the source folder and PSADT apps, WinSCP, and then files, and this is your file. Clear, everyone? Now suppose WinSCP has a dependency. WinSCP has a dependency. So let's go and add one dependency. For example, Java is a dependency. So I'm going to copy Java and put Java here. So whatever the dependencies are there, you need to put it here in the same folder. Suppose one more dependency is there, and that is Intune download. Do we have any MSI application? Yeah, Zoom is there, right? M remote is there. Okay, M remote. I'll copy M remote and go back to Intune, Intune WinApps, source folder, PSADT apps, WinSCP files, and that's the file WinSCP. Now, WinSCP is our main file. WinSCP is our main file, and these are the dependencies: Java and M remote. These are the dependencies. Let's assume that. Okay, the WinSCP is going to be our main application. Java and M remote are the dependencies. So how will you approach now? So you need to come to this, right click on this, and then every time you have to modify this deploy hyphen application. First you put the files here. So folder structure is done, right? Folder structure is done, wherein we have named the folder as PSADT apps. Inside that, the main parent folder name is the application file name. And then inside that, in the files, we have pasted all the installers, right? So that is done. Folder structure is done. Point number point number D is you need to modify deploy hyphen application dot ps1 file, the PowerShell file, ps1 file. Okay, so here we have to de, you have to add variable declaration. Instruction. So add variable. It is giving me, yeah, okay. Add variable declaration instruction. Point number F is add, which one? Okay. Okay. Add variable declaration instruction. Then again it is coming. Variable spelling is correct, right?
VA.
Hmm?
VA it is. Not VA.
VA. Okay, VA. Okay, thanks. So variable declaration is done. Then add what? Pre-installation. Pre-installation. Pre-installation instruction. Okay, then add what? Installation. Okay, then add post installation instruction. Okay, then add I pre uninstallation. Add pre uninstallation instruction. Okay, then J add uninstallation instruction. H then add um, post uninstallation instruction. That's it. You see, you have to modify some of the things. What? The variable declaration, pre-installation, installation, post-installation, pre-uninstallation, post-uninstallation, and uh, post-uninstallation. Okay. So one by one, I'm going to show you how that is done. So let's open the file deploy hyphen. So you need to open with PowerShell. So show more example and edit. Okay, so our file is this one. This is our file. So here we have to give what? The variable declaration first one. So let's go with the variable declaration. Variable declaration. See variable declaration. Here you have to give the details. So what is the name of the application which we are doing right now? WinSCP, right? So that's the name of the application. Vendor name is WinSCP. Now who is the vendor of WinSCP? Download WinSCP. WinSCP. Who is the vendor of WinSCP? It is WinSCP itself.
Yeah, I think it's WinSCP itself. Yeah, WinSCP license you see at the bottom.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I think that is the
So
registered company.
WinSCP. So where it is? Yeah, WinSCP. Okay, so that's the name of the vendor. Okay, name of the application WinSCP. Version. Which version we downloaded? Let me see. WinSCP 6.3.5. 6.3.5. Okay, architecture. This is going to be for 64-bit computer. Version, that's okay. If you are modifying it next time, then you will change the version to 2, right? Now date. So today is 20th of December, then 2024. Author. You put your name so that anyone can identify who has packaged this application. Okay, that's done. Now let's go down and you go to the pre-installation section. So variable declaration is done and now we have pre-installation. You see pre-installation. Now in pre-installation, it has given some example that it will close iExplore and it will give user 3 times deferral period. User can defer with the installation 3 times. So if you want, you can keep it or you can comment it out. How will you comment? You put the hash. So this is not gonna get executed. Depends. Or if you wanna really close this, the iExplore or Notepad or Notepad++ or Google Chrome or Firefox, any application you can type in the application name here. Okay. Now perform your pre-installation task here. So here we have to add the installation. So installation is gonna be for which application? Java and what was the other application? Java and mremote. So these are my prerequisites. So I'm gonna put it here. So Java and so Java is exe, right? So which one shall I use? For exe, you see the point number A. For exe, I have to use execute process, right? So I'm gonna put it here. Cut and the file name.exe, the one which I have here, paste it here. Okay, parameter is what? What is the parameter for Java? /s, right? You have to Google it out and find out the parameter yourself. Okay, so that is my command for installation of Java. So I'm gonna copy that and put it here. So Java is gonna get installed first. Are you guys clear so far?
Yeah.
Yeah, yes.
Now, what is the second prerequisite? mremote. Is
But
mremote
Kasif, are we adding all pre-installation in one file or
in one file?
okay? So we are not creating an additional folder uninstall, is it?
No. So second is MSI. MSI, when we have MSI, you see this is mremote MSI. This is MSI. Which one shall I use? Guys?
Here also same /s.
/s. I have to use this one, execute MSI, the second one, right? You see, I have mentioned here for exe, I am going to use execute process. For MSI, I need to use execute MSI. You guys are following or not?
Yeah, Kashif. I mean, like I was telling silent switch if we want to add silent switch.
Not silent switch. We don't have to define silent switch for MSI. Okay. Copy. We don't have any parameter for silent switch in MSI. So copy, and then after this, you simply add the one more step. So first, the Java will get executed silently. Second, mremote will get executed. And by default, in the backend, for all MSI, the silent switches are handled already. You don't have to define any extra silent switches. Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now let's come to the main point, the installation. So which is our main file? WinSCP.
WinSCP.
So perform the installation here. So WinSCP is exe or MSI? Exe. So I'll copy and put it here on my notepad. And what is the parameter? Do you know? Anyone? No idea? Hmm?
Same, right? Same,
Same,
whatever we used for same. Yeah.
same /s. You cannot give /s. So let's go to Google. Okay. So Java silent install command line. You see, I gave /s and it is /s, you see. So Java is all set. I gave the right command line. Now similarly, WinSCP silent install command line. And that's gonna be, let me go to installation. So I have to use what? Yeah, I have to use all user and very silent or silent. So I need to use either silent or very silent, and I have to add all user or current user. So I'm gonna go with all users and very silent, all users and very silent. So all users, the parameter is gonna be slash all users space slash very silent. Okay, so that's gonna be the parameter. Copy and put it here. You guys are clear with the concept, everyone? Hmm?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah, Kasha. By the way, the device is also ready, and I have enrolled it.
Very good. WinSCP. You see, WinSCP, WinSCP, what was the command line you have given for WinSCP? You see, Asrita, this is
Yeah.
this is your old uh, install command line. So same thing I'm using, all users and very silent, right? Similarly for Java, you are using /s. That is what I have used, /s. Okay, so I was just verifying. Okay, so let's go back. So the pre-installation is this one. Java is going to get installed. Then mremote will get installed, right? Then the main installation is installation. You see installation, WinSCP is going to get installed. Now post installation, after the installation, what would you like to display to the user? Suppose I want user to see a message to restart his machine. So I need to delete this, the one which we have. Okay, suppose I'm gonna delete this and give a message to the user that you should go ahead and restart the computer. But it should also show the application name, application publisher name and version. So in double quotes, in between double quotes, I'm gonna type in what? $app vendor. I'll tell you why I'm putting it. That's the variable, okay? App vendor. So that's the vendor. Publisher of the application will show up, and then the app name. So $app name, and then $app version. Okay, is installed successfully. Kindly reboot your computer for the changes to take effect. Okay, app vendor name version is installed successfully. Kindly reboot your computer for the changes to take effect. So what is this app vendor name and version? When you go up in the declaration, you will see. So it's gonna show WinSCP Inc. WinSCP 6.3.5 is installed successfully. So I have taken these three variables. Okay. It's not mandatory. You can keep anything of your choice. So that's done. So app installed successfully. Kindly restart your computer. Now, if you would like to uninstall, if the application is already running in the computer, then it's gonna give problem, right? So better you should close those applications before the uninstallation starts. So I will close which application? I will close mremote. I don't know whether it is mremote ng or mremote. Is it installed here on your computer, mremote? No. Okay. So basically you have to install and find out in the task manager, okay, which application, the application name, mremote. The mremote will get closed and the timer will be for 60 seconds. I'll give 10 seconds. So within 10 seconds, it will get closed automatically. So mremote will get closed. Similarly, I want WinSCP to get closed in case if WinSCP is opened. So WinSCP. Okay, WinSCP will get closed. So both these applications will get closed first and then the uninstallation will execute. Now pre-uninstallation, I want those application to get uninstalled. Which application? Hmm? Suppose I want this mremote to uninstall. So I'll give this one execute MSI and this is the one uninstall. So mremote will get uninstalled first. Similarly, if you would like to uninstall Java, you will have to give the Java command line. I don't have the command line for Java because I will have to install Java first and take a look. So you will have to go to the registry. Okay, I can take it from here. You will have to go to the registry and find out the command line. The uninstall string, you have to give the uninstall string here for Java uninstallation. Got it? Let's do one thing. Let's uninstall download WinSCP and install. We'll install it manually to see. So WinSCP you will find it in under Microsoft. I mean HKey local machine software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, and then uninstall. Inside that you will find WinSCP. Oh, sorry. WinSCP you will find it in 32-bit location. This is 64-bit. 64-bit, okay. So wow, Microsoft, Windows, current version, uninstall. Yeah, WinSCP is right here. Now what is the uninstall string? And this is the uninstall string. So that's the uninstall string. The problem is I cannot copy from this machine now. Okay, so I'll have to manually type in. So manually, so that's going to be C:/program files x86, right? Slash WinSCP slash uninstall, no, unins,
Yeah,
un.
unin 000.exe.
So that is the command line. So okay, so that's going to be the command line for WinSCP uninstall. So I'll go ahead and then put it here. The uninstallation is going to be here. So it's going to uninstall the application. All user is not needed. Okay, just very silent is sufficient. You see, this is the command line. C program files x86 WinSCP, and then yes, that's the one. Okay, so we have given the command line for uninstallation. Similarly, Java uninstallation. Do we have Java?
Yeah, we have.
Okay, good. Java. Java. Where is Java? Very good. I have Java uninstallation command line. So okay. Fine. So I'll have to give extra command for this one. Let's leave it as it is. Now, so what I have done for pre-uninstallation, mremote will get uninstalled. And for installation, WinSCP will get uninstalled. Post uninstallation, I don't have to do anything. Let's click on save. So that is done. I'll close it. So we are all done with our command line. Now let's go back to the folder. Do you have these applications installed on your computer? Let's see. Java, mremote. So mremote is not there. Java old version is there. Java old version is there. WinSCP is there? No. So it's gonna install latest version of Java, mremote, and WinSCP. All three applications. It's gonna do the installation. So how will you do the installation? You have to run this command: deploy hyphen application and install. I'll show you. For installation, you need to for installation, what you have to run? This one. Okay. For uninstallation, what you need to run? Uninstall. Clear? You are clear the concept? So for install, you have to simply run install. For uninstall, you have to simply run uninstall. Okay. Let's go to the folder. Copy. Now open command prompt with admin. Let's test this application. Asrita, open command prompt with admin. Type in CD space right click. Right click, yeah, enter. So we are in PSADT folder, WinSCP folder. Now copy and paste the command from, no, not that one. Copy and paste from the notepad, the install. Yeah, copy. Paste it in the command prompt. Right click to paste, enter. Wait. Okay, so installation started. So it is basically going to install 3 applications.
Kasif, wherever you gave deploy application.exe install and uninstall, so it will pick from the PowerShell deployment type, right? If
Yes.
deployment type is install, it will pick deployment install, correct?
Yes. In
Okay.
PowerShell, the variables are given already. It
Okay.
will pick the installation one.
Okay. Got it.
So it is gonna first install those two applications and then finally WinSCP. Can you go and check the control panel? It's already opened. Refresh. There you go. You see, what does it say? WinSCP, the vendor name, then application name, and the version is installed successfully. Kindly reboot your computer for the changes to take effect. The message which we had given, right? Let's click on OK and refresh this page to see if they are installed. Sort by date. At the right hand side, you have installed on, sort by date. No. Click on installed on. The column name is installed on. Click on that. Yeah. There you go. You see 3 applications got installed. Java, mremote, and WinSCP. Is that clear? Now let's open WinSCP and mremote, both of them. Let's open them. Open, not from control panel, from start menu. Let's open WinSCP and let's open mremote, both of them, because we have given a now go to task manager and check the name. Click on ask me later. Open task manager in the search. Open task manager. I just have to check the name, whether I have given the name properly or not. Yeah. Open task manager. Go to details. At the left hand side, you have the details one below, the second last one. Second last, yeah. What is M? Just type in M here, mremote. No, mremote ng is there. Oh, okay. Okay, so I have to change uh, the command. Okay, go back to the PowerShell below. 1 minute. Let me open again. It is mremote ng, not mremote. So I gave wrong one. So here, the pre-uninstallation, yeah, mremote ng is there. Ng, so I have to save. Okay, I think it's gonna work now. So close the task manager. Now go back to the command prompt. Now paste it from the notepad. Deploy -application, uninstall. So for uninstallation, it's gonna uninstall WinSCP and mremote. Uninstall. So it's gonna remove. Now first it will close those applications, the ones which are opened right now. Yeah, you see mremote, it's gonna get closed automatically in 10 seconds. So mremote is closed. Very good. Now WinSCP is gonna get closed in 10 seconds. Okay. WinSCP is getting closed now. So WinSCP is gone. Now the uninstallation will start. So that was the pre-uninstallation. Now it's gonna remove mremote and WinSCP both. mremote is gone, and now it's gonna remove WinSCP. WinSCP is gone. You see, gone from the desktop. Go back to the control panel and refresh to see. Refresh. You see, Java, we did not give the uninstallation command. That's the reason Java did not uninstall. But apart from Java, both the applications are gone. Now, how will you upload this application in Intune now? So we have tested, verified. Now, how will you upload? You will have to convert the application into Intune Win format. So same process as we saw earlier. So we have to open command prompt. Let me close this command prompt. Let's open another command prompt, the normal one. And we have to go to Intune Win app folder, converter, and this is the converter tool, the Intune. Copy and right click to paste. Source folder. What is our source folder? That is under source folder, PSADT, WinSCP. This is our source folder, right? So that's gonna be our source folder. So that's our source folder. Now, which is the application inside the source folder which we have to run? This is our application. This one, right? So always deploy hyphen application is gonna be your main application. Now output. Where will you create output? Output, let's create output in this output folder. Create WinSCP 1. Okay, this is the output folder. Okay, no. So it's gonna create the file. So all those files will be combined together. It will be zipped format. So all the files which we had like Java and mremote and WinSCP, everything is included in this one. This is like a zipped file. And now we can simply upload this one. So go to apps here and then Windows and then add and then um, Win app, Win32, select app package file and then come to C drive or D drive? Desktop, I think. Logo, Intune, Intune WinApp, output, WinSCP1. This is the one. Click OK. So it is coming as deploy hyphen application, which we have to change it to WinSCP. Edit, WinSCP, publisher, WinSCP, Inc. Version. What was the version? 6 point?
3.5.
Okay. Category, then logo. Now install command line. What will be the install command line? Deploy hyphen application. This one. And this is the uninstall command line. Uninstall. Okay, always you will have the same command line, install and uninstall. Next. Now it's gonna be installed for 32, 64-bit both. Next. And then manually, you have to give the detection method here. Detection, we have to go to the registry or file. Let's go to the file, okay? And the file The file is, so if this file is located, what is the file? Path. Under this path, right? Under this path, it's not allowed or what?
No, we need to remove the quotation.
If we remove the quotation, then it will not work. So better we choose the
Registry or something.
registry is okay, but I will have to use this percentage program files and then x86 86 and then percentage slash, yeah, this is the one, right? And then WinSCP. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one. So that's the location, and in that one, if this file is present, which file? This file. If this file is present, that means application is installed. Okay, file exists. Okay, click OK, and then next, and then next, and next. And assignment you can deploy is and required or available, anything of your choice. I'll go with available. No, a user group, right? It has to be user group. Okay, next and next and create. So in this one, what will happen? It is gonna install uh, Java, then mremote, and then WinSCP. Clear, guys? Everyone? Hmm? Are you
Yeah,
guys
Kashif. Yeah.
clear with this concept? So um, then point number 8 is to convert the file, convert the files into Intune Win format. Upload and deploy the application using Intune. Okay, so this is how we do the application deployment through PowerShell app deployment toolkit. Any question?
Kashif, I have a question. Uh, Slightly different from this topic, but if I want to make changes to a registry value on a device, on a set of devices, then what is the best method to do that?
Registry value, you
Hmm.
can do it through batch file or PowerShell. Okay.
Okay, so do it through either batch file or
Yeah.
PowerShell.
Yeah, you can use this through PSADT. That's a PowerShell file, right?
Hmm.
So you can type in the PSADT command line to add the registry key or remove the registry key, whatever it is, and then the detection and all. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
Any other question from anyone? Iqbal, have you enrolled your device already?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. It's enrolled.
Can you share your screen?
The device screen.
No, no, the
Hmm.
computer screen.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Give me control. Okay, so Intune application is enrolled already on your device. So when you go to the devices section here and all devices, you will see this is your Mac device and this one is your
Yeah,
iPad.
that's the iOS device. Yeah. Mm.
Okay, so that's the iPad which you have just enrolled. So when I click on that, I have various options to see here, like retire, wipe, delete, remote lock, sync, remove. So send custom notification, test. You will get a pop-up on your device. Okay. Then I have
Yes, got it. Mm.
properties to see the properties of this device, hardware details here, discovered apps, whatever the applications are installed on this one, it's going to show up here. Device compliance, we haven't deployed any device compliance policy. That's the reason. We don't see anything apart from the default one. Device configuration, we haven't deployed anything. Okay. Managed application, whatever the applications we have deployed, that's going to show up here. So we have not done it. So in order to deploy application, I have already shown that to you. You can go to apps and then you go to iPhone, iPad, and then add the application. So you can simply, right now they are not assigned, that's the reason applications are not deployed to your iPad. So you can simply assign the application or add the application, and there are various options available to deploy the application. You can test it. Okay. Similarly, you go to the devices and then iPad, iOS, and then go to compliance policies. So from here, you can create your compliance policies. So create policy, and then there are create policy. Let me go to test next. So you have these option to create compliance policy. I've already discussed about it. Okay. Similarly, you have configuration item. So you go to configuration and create configuration profile, new policy to make any changes to the devices. So either template or setting catalog. I'll go with template, and you go with the template which you would like to do some modification in. Okay. So I've chosen template. I'll type test. Next, you have these template available. So if you want to disable wallpaper, I mean, if you would like to modify this wallpaper display location, you can change it from here. Okay. SSO app extension type. You can make changes here. Okay. And the best part is you can deploy this policy to thousands and thousands of computers. Okay. So this is like group policy in Windows. Similarly, you have iOS update policy. You can create iOS update policy to get the device up to date. We have already discussed about it. Okay, guys, any question? Anyone? Hmm? Iqbal, Noor Alam, Darshan,
No, all good, Kashif. All good.
Asrita.
No, Kashif, nothing.
Okay, guys. So I'm done with today's session and all the topics, whatever was remaining. So I will keep the WhatsApp group on. I'm gonna send you the materials, documents. You can download them. Plus, you need to send me your legal name so that um, I will generate the certificate for you guys and send it to you. You can download them. The course
Okay.
completion certificate.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Kashif.
Kashif.
Thanks for all your time and sharing the knowledge.
Yeah,
No worries.
thank you so
Thank
much,
you so
Kashif.
much.
No worries.
Kashif, one last
Mm,
question. Maybe it
mm.
is out of syllabus, but just an update regarding the WinGate actually. Uh, you have any idea on WinGate, Kashif?
What is WinGate? I don't know. WinGate.
Okay. Okay, so
WinGate
basically they're using it like for
proxy
updates.
for proxy.
No, no, not proxy. So Winget is something like it will whatever the application we have, right? So like Notepad plus plus or any PDF or Adobe, so it will auto update. So that they are bringing
Oh,
in
okay.
Winget, Intune Winget.
Oh, just like patch my PC, right?
Yeah, 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 exactly. So it
Oh
will
no,
auto update. So we
I
don't
have
need to
not
create any
worked.
packages.
I have not worked on WinGate. I have worked on Patch My PC. I showed you in the training how to integrate Patch My PC in Intune portal and
Okay, okay,
deploy the applications and updates through Intune portal. You see, when you go to apps and go to Windows, you will see Patch My PC applications. Patch My
okay.
PC. Oh, I think you have not done it, Iqbal. Asrita did.
Yeah, it's there in my system.
Yes. So in our training, I showed how to integrate. I don't know, WinGate is you can integrate in Intune. Huh?
Yeah, yeah, we can integrate.
WinGate integration in Intune. The first time I'm hearing this one. New in WinGate Intune. Okay. Uh, very less document for a WinGate. You see,
Yeah,
is it like a new application or what?
yeah. It's a new this thing kind of a configuration which we have to do.
Okay, so you try this video, new Intune feature, Windows Store, WinGate
Yeah,
Intune.
sure, Kasif.
I have not seen this one in my experience. Probably it looks like a new application, but Patch My PC is the very common one which most of the organizations are using.
Okay.
Okay, I think the concept is same. Either you use
Yeah,
Patch My PC or WinGate. Okay,
yeah.
okay, guys. So I'll send the recording will be available to you guys. You can watch the recording anytime online. Plus all the documents which I'm gonna send, you can download them. It will have dumps and exam interview question and answers. Plus you will have a resume, sample resume as well. And those who are planning to take exam, you let me know. I will help you with the exam as well. MD 102 is the exam.
Yes, yes, Kashif, I'm planning to take the exam.
Okay.
I'm
So
also
MD
planning
one.
to shift.
Okay. So MD 102 is the exam code which you need to take. The exam fees is around, if you are in India, MD 102. If you are in India, the exam you become Endpoint Administrator Associate. Okay. After taking this exam, you need to score 700 out of 1000. If you are in India, then you will have to pay. How much you have to pay? Uh, 4800 rupees, I think. Oh, they have increased to 65 rupees. 48, 65 rupees in Indian currency if you are in India. If you are outside India, Iqbal, you are in Australia, it's gonna cost you 140 USD.
Yeah, but Kashif, I think a lot of organizations they have partnership with Microsoft, so they provide free vouchers. So I already have a free voucher for this exam.
Okay, very good. So you can utilize that one. That's gonna be free.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
I'll guide you how to take the exam. Okay.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you, Kashif. Yeah.
Rashif, I have two things. Do you have, please provide any resume which is mixed like SCCM or Intune both, if you have any resume.
I think yes, I'm gonna give it to you. Okay.
Okay. And another thing, do you provide PowerShell script classes also?
No, no,
Normally.
I don't take.
So Kasif, now you are only training on Intune, is it? Only mainly Intune, is it?
SCCM requirement is very less now, so that's the reason I'm focusing on Intune rather than SCCM, because SCCM we don't have much vacancies and all. So
Yeah. Currently, all companies are migrating to Intune, and maybe very sooner they might phase out within next 2 years, I guess, right?
SCCM will be there for server management, na? They
Okay,
cannot
okay,
remove SCCM. SCCM
okay.
will be Microsoft wants to sell both the products.
Yeah, and
Okay.
also, the company's infrastructure. Currently, most of the companies they have co-management between SCCM and Intune, and there is bit of reluctance to completely go into Intune. So I think they want to keep it
Mm.
keep it that way. Yeah, keep it
Mm-hmm.
co-managed. Yeah, so that
Yeah, but
it's less
co-managed.
impact on business.
Yeah, but co-managed is not a permanent solution. That is a
Yeah,
temporary one. Microsoft wants you to go to Intune, and co-management is like a transition
yeah,
stage.
transitioning phase. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, true.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna send some documents and materials, and I'll keep the WhatsApp group on. So in case if you have any questions or any issues, you can always come back to me. Okay.
Sure, Kashif. In
Okay.
this MD 102, will be there any questions related to Defender or something?
Yes. You see the course
Okay.
curriculum is right here.
Okay.
It's mentioned in the study guide, Kashif. Mentioned in the study guide. So if you scroll down,
Yeah, it is there. Study
yeah,
guide.
here it is. Certification resources, first one.
Okay. Study guide, first one. Yeah.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
is the
MD
one.
102 study guide. Yeah. So this tells you like uh, what topics. I mean, what will be the exam focus?
Okay.
Audience profile,
Yeah. So
skill,
here it is.
Microsoft
This will be
Entra,
the
right? Then Microsoft Intune, then Microsoft implement identity to the compliance, manage, maintain devices 30 to 35%, plan, implement device configuration profile, Intune suite add-on capabilities, then perform remote actions, manage updates, application protection, protect devices, manage device update using Intune. So almost we have covered everything.
hmm.
You see, um, so you let me know those who would like to take the exam. I'll help you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Okay. Thanks everyone. Wish you all happy New Year.
Thank you,
Thank you,
everyone.
everyone. Bye.
Thanks. Thanks.
Bye,
Thanks,
everyone.
Kash.
Bye
Thank you,
now.
everyone.